All right, guys. See here. Get down here so I can get this shadow on this. Here's what we've got so far. Just rattle. I want to 3D print some parts. I've got my calipers out here measuring. That's showing 6.90. I will round that up to 7. That's showing 7.59. I will round that down to 7.5. And I already have some of the other measurements from JJ for the the diameter it needs to be. So let me get in here on the computer and get this part drawn up. This is the first time I'm making this part from scratch. It's a 2-piece part, and I'll go get that drawn up and we'll come back out here and we'll see how it fits. Alright guys, I got my parts drawn up. Having just a little issue. The part that lays on the table is kind of raised up a little bit. Don't really know why that is, unless I'm running my plastic a little bit too hot. But let's see if it's a fit over this. Yep, that snapped right on. Now to put the other piece on, which is right here, I'm going to have to tumble the seat forward just like that. And on the back of this part, I don't know if you could tell on the video or not, I beveled the inside of this edge because this is going to be a press fit, and that'll give it a way to start. Just like that right there. I've got one for the other side. Let me put it on. Alright, I got that one on. I'll put this part on over here. Alright. See how, yeah, that needs to be a little bit tighter. But anyway, I'll show you how this works. I don't even worry about this piece right here. It's got a little bushing behind it. I don't even worry about it. I make this piece big enough that it puts enough pressure on that piece to stop the rattle. Now, let me move the seat and show you what it does. Y'all hear the metal hitting? There's not any. So This is not an original idea. I took an idea from one that I had purchased and kind of ran with it, made my own out of it. And all I need to do right here with this one is I need to make the center hole of this bigger piece a little bit tighter. Take this back off. Just a little bit. Need to make this center hole just a little bit more snug. I tell you what I actually could do. This raised edge on this one, I can take it back off and put it to the outside. Alright, so got my raised edge that I was complaining about earlier on the outside, and that may be enough. Oh yeah. Alright, that is on there tight. That won't come off. So anyway, what I was complaining about the printer having raised edge actually fixed my issue. So let me take that other one off and do the same thing, and then I'll come back when I'm finished with that. Alright guys, there's my little seat hack. 0 rattle. Say that's a success. Well guys, that's going to be a wrap on this video. Just a short video showing a little computer drawing and installing the parts for my 3D printer. Like I said earlier, that's not my original idea. I got that idea from the product is called Stable Seats. I have a video on JJ when I installed it on it, and I just wanted to try my own rendition on this Jeep, and actually for my purposes I actually like the one I made better. So anyway, thank y'all for watching today. Y'all come back next time, we'll see what we got going in.
Yeah.